Suppose your wife is repeatedly denying you sex without any medical or valid reason. Can that be considered mental cruelty? Can you file for divorce on this ground? Indian courts have taken a bold and strong stance on this issue. In Samar Ghosh versus Jaya Ghosh, the Supreme Court held that if a wife repeatedly denies emotional and physical intimacy, it amounts to mental cruelty. In Sudipto Saha versus Momita Saha, the marriage was never consummated and the wife continuously refused sexual relations without any valid reason. The court recognized this as mental cruelty and granted divorce. In Vidya Vishwanathan versus Karthik Balakrishnan, the Supreme Court said that if a spouse denies sexual relations for a long period without sufficient cause, it is mental cruelty. In Seema versus Vijay Kumar, the Delhi High Court clearly said marriage without sex is anathema. The court observed that if a spouse intentionally and continuously for a long period of time refuses sexual relations, it amounts to mental cruelty. In Ravindra Pratap Yadav versus Asha Devi, the Allahabad High Court held that long-term denial of sex without any valid reason is a clear case of mental cruelty. So if such refusal becomes a regular pattern without any medical issue, trauma or valid consent-related reason, it can become a legitimate ground for divorce. Mental cruelty is not limited to verbal or physical abuse. Emotional neglect, sexual rejection and even false allegation can fall under it. What is your opinion on this issue? Do share your thoughts in the comments.